Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the Poco M6 Plus. Okay, first of all, we will need the settings app. So just look for the settings app. Usually it looks like that here. And you tap it, you are in the settings. Then you need to scroll down to the point additional settings. It has a gray icon usually with 3 gray dots inside the white point, or from below it is the 4th position. Okay, tap it. Now you will need the second point, languages and input. And you will need now the first point, languages. Okay, now you can choose from many languages with different dialects sometimes. And yeah, let's keep going on in English, maybe with English with the dialect here of India. Then go here on the blue button to confirm. And then your phone is in the language you have chosen. In our case, it is here English with the dialect of India. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.